How to auto download when you are using mobile data on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit your download on Signal application when you are using your mobile data. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on data and storage. Now click on uh, you have media auto download. Click on when using mobile data and choose image, audio, video, document. You choose what do you want. For example, I want just to download audio. This is it, and click on OK, and this is it. So hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.